everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Christy. I am so glad that you're here. In today's video, we are doing another travel accessory review. I don't know what that was, just go with it. I am really excited about this item that I'm sharing today. I feel like this item could be really good for a lot of travelers, so I'm very excited to share it. This has kind of turned into a series on my channel where I give a review of different travel related items. I've done the liquid squeeze containers for travel. I've done makeup and cosmetic organizers, tech organizers. I love bringing this stuff with me on my trips and trying it out, testing it out, and then giving you guys my reviews and feedback. So it's been really fun so far. Oh, I did a base one too for a few of the base items by Shannon Mitchell, aka Shay Mitchell. I will link all of those below in the description. I'll also put them up here at some point. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Please do so below. It's a good old time. At least I like to think so. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into what today's video is, which is a review for a bag called the Foldie. I had not heard of the Foldie before, full transparency. They did reach out to me to send me this bag, and after I read about the company and looked at the bag online, I was very intrigued, and I will tell you why. What drew me to the bag the most is that it is expandable, and it kind of gives me the vibe of the base weekender bag, which I have and love, except it doesn't have that bottom zip out area for shoes or whatever you would use that for. That's the biggest difference between the two, but what I really like about it is that it literally folds down into a tiny little pouch, and they have a YouTube video that shows you how to do it, but we're gonna try it today. So let me actually get the bag up here so you can see what it looks like. Ta-da! Okay, sorry. This is the Foldie. Wow, it looks really big. This is it. She's really cute. It's that nice nylon material, so it is very easy to clean. Actually, let me grab my phone so I can read you the dimensions. Okay, so this is their 2.0 design. Right now it is on their website for $60, $59.95. They have an assortment of colors. The colors are very cute. They have black. I got navy blue, obviously. They have a red color, a purple fuchsia color that's really pretty. I actually wanted to get that one, but I decided to get a color that was a little more neutral so that it would go with more, and also so that Barish can use it. I don't know that he really wants a fuchsia bag. He actually doesn't really care about stuff like that. I feel like he would fully carry the fuchsia bag, but I was like, let's get the navy. But fuchsia would probably be my second choice. They also have a bright teal color and then kind of this vanilla cream color that's a little bit more of a neutral beige. If you zip out the bottom, which I will obviously show you, it is 15.5 by 16.5 by 7 inches. That is significantly bigger once you zip it out. Oh, I'm so excited to show it to you guys. A couple more things about this bag. This size, as it is, actually counts as a personal item. They guarantee that. It counts as a personal item and not a carry-on. Love to see it. Another really cool thing about the Foldie company is that they donate 1% of their revenue to the Ocean Cleanup Pledge. So each and every order of one of these bags removes 80 plastic bottles from polluted oceans and rivers. That is super cool. We love to see it. We love being environmentally friendly. So let me break down this bag for you because I already really like it and I cannot wait to pack for this weekend. I'm going on a one-night trip to see my sister this weekend, just driving there. And I'm gonna use this bag. I'm very excited because I feel like I'm actually gonna fit everything in there, but we are going to test it, obviously. So, here's the bag. Okay, at the very front of the bag, you have this handy dandy little pouch. Obviously this zips open and it zips to have an additional zip pocket on the inside. So it's like a pocket within a pocket. Pocket within a pocket, we love to see it. So, again, love that there's little storage places in this because really, the bag itself is not big. I mean, you have a ton of space to pack things, but it's kind of wild how much, storage there is in this. On the back of the bag, there is a trolley pass-through for the handle of your suitcase, which the base weekender bag has that as well, and it is a game changer. There is also a little pocket here. This is so hard to do one-handed. There's also a little pocket right here on the trolley pass-through for you to put things in here. You could stick your phone in there, any little item that you want to have on hand, you could put right in here, which is really nice. There is an optional shoulder strap, which I think this is the upgrade to this new model. I think that this is the 2.0. I think they made a couple tweaks, and I think one of those is including this optional removable shoulder strap. Very nice. Oh, I just realized this. I was like, what are these? Clip these down here. I don't really know what that does, but I like it. Okay, let's get to the inside of this bag. So this is basically a big open space for you to shove all your stuff in there. Love it. Can you see? Probably not. Might need to do some other angled shots for this. But there is a zipper pocket right in here, a very large zipper pocket. And there is also 2 slide pockets right here. You can put your phone, your wallet, anything small that could go in there. And now for the pièce de résistance. The bottom expands. So you have a zipper along the whole bottom of this. And we are gonna take this zipper. We're gonna zip it around town. And whoa! So you get all of this extra space to put your stuff. I mean, that's honestly kind of wild. Like, that got so much bigger. So what I'm excited about with this bag, I really like that it has the trolley pass-through. Somebody in the reviews had a great suggestion. They said that since this bag folds up, which yes, we're gonna do that in a moment. Can't wait to see how it goes. Since this bag folds up, they will actually fold the bag, put it in their suitcase, and then bring it with them so that when they get souvenirs or go shopping on their little travel adventures or their little excursions, when they're coming home, they have a whole other bag that they can easily just pop out and put any extra things in. And this is like a personal size bag. At the very least, it's a carry-on. So I feel like that is such a good idea and what I will absolutely be doing going forward. When I go to Austin in July, I feel like that's exactly what I'm going to do because obviously I want to check out the scene, get myself some cowboy boots. I really do want to get cowboy boots, but I don't know that I can pull them off. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I really want to see what fits in this bag without it being expanded. So we're going to pack this bag right now for my little weekend trip. Again, it's just one night, so I'm not bringing a ton of stuff with me, but I really want to see what this can hold. So let's get into it. Ooh, actually, you know what we should do first? First, we should try to fold it up. Let me get the scene ready so that I can fold up the bag. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I have my little setup here. I'm gonna try to fold it into its little pouch. Ignore, this is the clothes that we're gonna pack in here in just a second. I really love that they have a YouTube video that shows you exactly how to fold it. I'm going to be following this for my first attempt to fold it. So first it says unzip the front pouch. Okay, got it. And then turn the bag around. Okay, so then you keep it like this. I'm just gonna put all of my straps here, I guess, for now. Okay. And then you fold both sides to the middle, like this, I would assume. I still have the tag on it. And then you fold this part over like that, I think. And then you bring this over like so. I hope I'm doing this right. And then I have to try to zip it. They didn't seem to struggle the way that I am, but this is also my first attempt. Oh God. This surely cannot be right. I'm sweating. Okay. 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 How many times can I say okay until it actually is okay? I can understand what's supposed to happen here. I get it. Yes, it's happening. Oh my God, it's happening! Okay. It just took a second. Trial and error, first go. I feel like it will get easier the more times I try it, the more times I do it. I mean, it's kind of miraculous that this fits in here. I mean, the guy in the video did it so quickly. Oh my gosh. I did it! Oh my God, I'm thrilled. Okay. So I think I might not have folded it exactly right. I have a lot of space at the top here. Look at that. That huge bag folded into this. Oh, hey Lucy. Oh. So yeah, this literally folded into this tiny thing. I'm actually really impressed. Let me try to do it again really quick, now that I kind of have a better idea of what's supposed to happen. We open this up, we flip it, and we're gonna do that. Okay, hopefully that was on camera. Okay, Second time I feel like went a little bit better. We're getting there. I feel like it's going well. Let's see what we can fit in here. Okay, my head's kind of cut off, but it's fine. I want to see what we can fit in this without it being expanded. For this weekend trip, I am going for one night and one night only. I haven't packed my toiletries yet, but I will be packing them most likely in these 2 bags because I'm really extra. I might try to fit them in a smaller bag, but I'm gonna be honest, like I just really like taking this hulking thing around with me. It fits everything so well. So I also have packed, because again, it's gonna be one night. So I am going to wear my outfit for tomorrow when I drive there. So I just am bringing a pair of undies, sweatpants, and a shirt to sleep in. And then I'm also bringing 2 short options. Shorts if I want to look like a grown-up, and bike shorts if I want to look like a toddler. No tea, no shade. I'm wearing them right now. I literally love bike shorts. I just realized when I went to go visit my best friend and I was hanging out with her kids, her little 1-year-old, 1.5-year-old, and I were wearing the same outfit. Oversized tee and bike shorts. So, you know, it's fine. So then for my outfit for Sunday, I'm gonna wear one of these shorts with this kind of oversized button-up shirt with a little tank underneath. And the tank I'm also gonna wear tomorrow because, you know, reuse, rewear, people. I'm trying to think of what else I would maybe need to put in this suitcase. I think I'm gonna just wear 1 pair of shoes because bringing 2 for 2 days seems really excessive. I'll bring my backpack for my laptop and that stuff because I probably will edit a video while my sister is working a little bit on Sunday. And anything else? I'll bring a purse. So really this probably will be everything I need to put in here. So, oh God, let's see how this goes. Okay, already off to a great start. Okay, I'm already gonna say the base of this is so much wider than anticipated. I mean, literally I just stuck this thing in completely flat on the bottom, and I was able to put this flat in here as well. So we're already off to a great start. So I'm gonna grab these bike shorts, put them there. Let's take this, shove this here. And then let's do this. And then, you guys, did that all fit in there? Even with that huge cosmetic bag, it fit. Wait, I'm actually really surprised. I thought that my big old cosmetic case was going to take up all of the space. Not at all. Oh my gosh. How do I look? Is she ready to travel? I think so. Wait, this is really cute. Wait, why do I like this so much? Ooh, I really like it. Yay. Okay. Wow. I'm like really thrilled about this. Why am I posing like this? Okay, let me get back to my chair. You guys, I'm like really impressed by this. This is really cute. I feel like this fits a shocking amount of stuff. I didn't even extend this. I didn't even extend it, and I fit all of that stuff for like an overnight trip. I'm really excited about this. Like, I didn't even put anything in this like front pouch, any of the pockets. There's a couple scenarios where I definitely could see myself using this bag. One being if I'm going on a 1 or 2 night max trip and I'm bringing like the bare minimum. I feel like we all go on weekend trips where we're having just like a really chill time. We don't need a ton of different outfits or a bunch of different looks to do different things. Like, most of it's pretty casual or chill. I feel like this would be perfect for those type of weekend getaways. Like when I go visit my best friend in DC with her kids, like we're very casual. We don't really like get dressed up and go do very much. Like, we kind of are just happy to chill and hang out. I feel like having a bag like this would be perfect, especially if I fly and I literally just like can easily take it with me. Oh my gosh, especially with this like little shoulder strap. I feel like that's a game changer. I can also see myself using this how the other reviewers used it, folding it into its little pouch and bringing it with me to like bring back souvenirs or things that I buy on my trips. I feel like that's such a good idea. I also feel like this could even just be a great like gym bag. This is really nice. I mean, really, you could fit even more in here if you expand it. Like, gosh, this would be perfect for men, especially if they're like low maintenance and don't bring a lot with them. I feel like I have like a ton of skincare and cosmetic things that I like to bring, so I always have a huge cosmetic bag, but I mean, this even accommodated that, so I can't even imagine when I expand it what all it will accommodate. So I am like really impressed with this so far. I'm so excited to use this. I also am the kind of person who dreams of being a minimal packer. I would love to be super minimal in the things I bring with me on trips, and that's just never the case. I always overpack. Like in my dream life, I'd be like, oh, I'm gonna go to Austin for 5 days and only bring this bag. I know that that wouldn't happen, but I mean, I'm using it this weekend for sure. This is great. Okay, so far, just on my first impression, I'm like really excited to use this. On just a first impression, I would recommend it. I think that it seems really durable. I think it's very easy to clean. I actually think you can put it in the dishwasher. I think you can put it in the washer, but not the dryer. I mean, the fact that you could put it in the washing machine is kind of a game changer as well. So I think that I do, at least based on first impression, really do enjoy this, and I do recommend this. The Foldie. I mean, how cool that it folds up. I love that concept. Of course, I'll link this below for you guys. I don't have an affiliate code or anything through them, but I did just want to share this with you guys because they did offer to send me one, and I always want to share my thoughts with you guys. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this review of the Foldie. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so below. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here, and I will see you in the next one.